MSPs today face several ongoing challenges: complex deployments, manual workflows, and rising costs. To address these challenges, Synology introduced ActiveProtect, a comprehensive backup solution that supports MSP use cases. It simplifies management, delivers reliable data protection, and supports profitable growth. Designed for diverse customer environments, all managed through one unified system. When client environments changes, ActiveProtect automatically detects and backs them up, ensuring continuous protection without manual effort. When a workload is removed, protection stops and data is deleted after the retention period, helping MSPs meet SLA and compliance requirements. A centralized multi-tenant management interface gives MSPs a single unified view of all customer backups, providing full visibility and control at scale. Worm immutability can be enabled with a single click to prevent tampering or deletion. With retention periods automatically aligned and data deleted upon expiration. In addition to worm immutability, data is encrypted during transfer to the MSP environment and while at rest, ensuring continuous protection. In addition, the system automatically verifies data using built-in virtualization. During verification, the system records the full boot sequence, ensuring backups are recoverable and auditable. In the event of a disaster, ActiveProtect supports both P2V and V2V recovery. This allows data to be restored across platforms, giving MSPs the flexibility to bring customers back online quickly. As customer environments expand, storage capacity struggles to keep up. By separating compute from storage, data tiering automatically moves older backups to lower-cost remote storage, keeping capacity optimized as data grows. At the same time, ActiveProtect uses global deduplication to reduce actual storage usage by up to 80%. With device-based pricing, ActiveProtect reduces total costs, helping MSPs achieve higher profitability at the same end-user price. Whether you offer off-site backup, BAS, DRAS, or other backup-related services, ActiveProtect fully supports your service portfolio. With multiple hardware options available, MSPs can choose the right deployment for each customer. ActiveProtect, maximizing your data security while minimizing time, effort, and cost.